Hey everyone, okay, so slightly different video today, and I just thought we would try and do it quite quickly, but a lot of people will very much relate, I'm sure. Okay, hoarding makeup. So I've been doing YouTube for over a decade, and during that course of time, I have amounted a huge amount of makeup, and that can be problematic. And a lot of people think, especially when we see room tours, that this is something to aspire to. What happened with me is I would keep pretty much everything and store it in bags and then put it away just in case. And it got to the point where there was so much stuff that something needed to be done. There were bags and bags and bags of it stacked up in the garage. The entire attic, which is at the back of here and up, was completely full of makeup. And I'm one of these people that if things aren't tidy and neat, I can't think properly. I don't feel great. I feel very cluttered and like my mind isn't working properly. And even though the surfaces may have looked clean, everything was overflowing behind the scenes. It took me 9 days in total to clear out everything. I cleared out the final bit on Sunday. I gave, I think, 12 bags full of makeup, got donated. There were 16 other bags that were given away. It was a lot of stuff. And I cannot begin to tell you how clean and organized things are. Now, I will do a room tour and show you around everything. Now, bear in mind that, again, there is still way too much stuff here and nobody needs that kind of product. But for my job and what I do and being able to talk about and show things that I've used or I'm using or have currently passed, whatever, it's kind of important. But now everything is organized and clean and tidy and kept in a very good system. And the weight that was lifted from doing it was such a relief. The drawers are clean, they're tidy, they're organized. The fact that I gave away all this makeup to people that really needed it and also really wanted it and who couldn't afford it. It's a great feeling to be able to just clear the decks and think, I'm done. I've done enough. And it just feels so good. It really, really does. Anybody out there who is storing their makeup, let me know. It was a daunting job. About day 4 into it, I didn't want to participate anymore. It was overflowing everywhere, and I couldn't believe that I had amounted that kind of stuff I hadn't seen for years. It was quite an interesting process, and obviously a lot of things had to be thrown away because they were just gone and expired. Oh, the hoarding is over. And yes, if you could see this, the drawers here, the table, they are all full of makeup, but they are stored neatly and delicately, and they're all the things that will enable me to do a job here on YouTube, to be able to talk about the products and show them. And I will give you a proper room tour very soon. Let me know in the comments if you have ever had this issue before. And again, when I do the room tour, please understand that this is my job and has been for a decade. It is not something to aspire to. Really, generally speaking, when you collect that amount of stuff, all you're doing is collecting a lot of expired makeup. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.